This video is to practice comparing and ordering decimals. So to start with, we are going to compare these two decimals. One way you can think about it is you're going to compare each place value. So we're going to compare the ones, and in this case they're equal. So we go to the next place value, which is the tenths. Again, they both are threes, they're the same. So we keep going. Hundredths place value, we have a 3 there, and we have a 4 here. So there's where I find my difference. I have a 3 and a 4, and 4 is larger, so then I know that that decimal is greater. Remember, when you're dealing with less than and greater than, think of it as a little alligator, and it wants to eat the biggest number, so because it's very hungry. So this one always wants to eat that number over there. This one always wants to eat that one. I don't know, sometimes that helps. Another way to think about this, you could line the decimals up like this. And I have always thought of it as money. Just makes it a lot easier to think about. So money goes to the hundredths place value each time. So for this one, we would think of that as $1.33. And for the second one, we think of it as $1.34. And obviously $1.34 is larger. So we'd say that number is larger. If we try it with this one, if I write the two decimals and line them up by their decimals, like right here, then think of it as money. So this is $4.05. This is $4.50. Again, $4.50 is larger. So I know this decimal is larger. For this one, same thing. Think of it as money. There's $2. There's $2.07. $2.07 is larger. Okay, let's try another one. Oh, I forgot I put this in. Hardy har har. Here's a good laugh for you. Okay, moving on. So now you might have to order a bunch of different decimals, and you got to be very careful to follow the directions. Here it says from least to greatest. Other times you'll have to do greatest to least, so just make sure you pay attention to that. Alright, here I think is one of the easiest ways to do this. You take each of these numbers and you rewrite them. I have 4 numbers, so I'm just going to put 4 decimal points down. So my first one I'm going to rewrite right here. The second one, the third one, and the fourth one. And then again, if you're thinking about it as money, you want to just then only focus on the numbers through the hundredths place. So we have 52 cents, 55 cents, 22 cents, and 25 cents. So right away it makes it really easy because nothing is kind of tied or the same, so you don't have to look over at any more place values. You know right away that 22 cents is my lowest, and then 25 cents, after that 52, and then the last one. And I always just put the numbers there to help me remember that's the order. After you do that, you do need to rewrite them in the right order. So you can see the first one over here, and the second one, the third one, and then the fourth one is the greatest. So I just put these in order from least to greatest. Try it again with these. So again, the first thing you might want to do is to copy all of these down. If I'm going too slow, feel free to fast forward it, or pause it if I'm going too fast. Okay, so I rewrote them. All the decimals seem to line up right here. So now again, think of them as money. So I'm going to go to the hundredths place on every single one. So right away I see $38.15, $3.81, $35.81, and then $3.18. Right away I know the $3 are going to be the smallest ones. $3.18 is smaller than $3.81. And then up here, makes it kind of easy because the whole numbers are actually a good way to look at it. So again, you want to rewrite these in order from least to greatest. I really didn't give you hard ones at all on this one. I have one more. I hope it's hard. Okay, so that would be my final answer in order, least to greatest. Okay, last one here. Well, let's hope this is hard. Okay, so again, I'm just going to put them right in order, line the decimals up. Think of money, because that's always fun. Go to the hundredths place. And they're all 9, so $9. So $9.03, just plain $9, $9.31, $9.01. So again, here is the order from least to greatest. Now, what I don't like is I gave you super easy ones. If I would have been smarter and given you a harder one, I would have maybe made this one just a 0 here. If I did that, it would have changed things up just a little bit, because if you notice, you'd have $9 and $9, and now they're equal. So you'd have to look then one more over, and they're tied again. So if that's the case, then you just, doesn't matter which one you put in what order, they're obviously the same, so they're going to go right next to each other. So that's just a quick lesson on ordering numbers and comparing decimals. Good luck. Have a good day.